In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Pocket FM's notifications. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, just jump straight into the video. All right, there's a few ways we can do it. So I'm going to show you the first way. So the first way is to locate the app, click and hold it, then click on the little eye for the app info. Now inside app info, under privacy, you're going to see notifications at the moment set to allowed. So to disable or turn off notifications, just simply disable that in that way. And now the next way is to open up Pocket FM itself, the app itself. Now once you're inside Pocket FM, we're going to be on the home tab, and then we need to click onto our user profile and locate the top right hand corner of the page here. And then from here we need to click onto the gear icon, top right hand corner of the page. All right, we're inside here under preferences, we got notifications. Click onto notifications, and just depending what notifications you want to disable, just go ahead and disable. So if you want to disable show recommendations, disable that. Comment replies, disable that. But you can keep your activity on your show enabled and subscribe show activity, so you can play around with what notifications you want to be turned on or turned off.